IIP Women's Cell of Maharashtra and Navi Mumbai district celebrate International Women's Day 2021 with our eminent senior physiotherapist, Dr. Neera Kohli Chandaman. Ma'am has done her graduation from IPH New Delhi and settled in Navi Mumbai. Having 47 years of experience as a physiotherapist in various capacities, Ma'am has worked in CMC Ludhiana, All India Institute of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation Mumbai, and has been HOD of Physiotherapy Department in BARC and retired in the year of 2012. And at present, Ma'am having her clinical practice at Kargar. We are happy to welcome you, Ma'am. How was your journey, Ma'am, in this last 47 years?
Thank you, Dr. Savita. I'm happy that you are talking to me and I feel very happy about it. My journey was very, very good. Professionally, very, very good. Personally also, of course. But professionally, I enjoyed every day of my physiotherapy.
So 47 years were...
Yes. You can say for first year I was not very happy when I joined IPS. I wanted to go for medicine, but then I did this physiotherapy. And my parents, they were very keen that I should do physiotherapy. So my parents were behind this course.
Okay.
So I joined physiotherapy and then I've been very, very happy.
Any rewarding moments, Ma'am, you like to share?
Lots and lots of rewarding moments I had actually. I think every day when I was treating patients and the patients were saying with their eyes, thank you. Like there is a language of eyes actually, body language. That they are very happy. Yes. That is just priceless. I always say money comes, but this type of things you get only in physiotherapy.
Ma'am, anything you could share as a female physio, your travel as a female physio as such?
Yeah, some once and twice I think some incidents, small incidents have
You could
happened.
share with us.
Yeah, so we used to have audio actually, music going on, playing in our rooms, in our clinics. And one gentleman, while I was doing his ultrasound for tennis elbow, I still remember his face. And he also started singing along with that. And then it was disturbing me actually. But then I did not say anything because that time I was a junior physiotherapist. But I did tell my senior physiotherapist that this is what is happening. She also laughed. So second day again he was doing, third day again he was doing. Then I told him, sir, please don't sing it, it disturbs. And he said, well, when you are not getting disturbed by Kishore Kumar who is singing there, why you should disturb my singing? So we all laughed it off. But nothing.
Memories, ma'am, all.
Yeah, these are all sweet memories.
Sweet memories. Ma'am, what challenges you have faced, ma'am, and how did you overcome through it?
Every day was a challenge. There were so many challenging patients, like para patients, to whom we had to give lots of time, and their recovery is also slow. So these were all challenges. Each patient was a challenge for me to treat them and then to make them all right.
Ma'am, along with, as a woman, you have to carry your family along with the profession. And even that would be the major challenge as such. How do you cope?
It was a bit difficult actually. I remember, can I share one
Yeah,
incident?
sure, ma'am.
When my children were teenagers, my boy was teenager, he was in 9th standard, next week would be 10th. So I just asked him one day, would you like me to be at home so that I leave the job and I'll stay at home because next year you are 10. And what he answered was that, Mama, please give me 2 days to think about it. So those 2 days was very stressful for me, what he is going to answer. So then third day he said, Mama, we feel proud that you are a doctor, you are working in a hospital and we feel proud of it. So please don't think. So that was a personal,
wise decision at a younger age.
And I think whatever I could do, it was because of my children who supported me.
True. Ma'am, your role into IIP as such?
Yeah, I was a member of the team of managing committee for BBIP. That time it was Bombay branch.
Okay.
Later on it became Mumbai branch.
It was in the year.
That year I am
You don't
not. I
remember.
tried hard actually, but I cannot remember the year. For 3 years I was there, and we used to organize seminars and discussions. IAP from IAP.
Ma'am, what advice you could give to female budding physios?
I'll tell the female, but it's not only to females but boys as well. There's a lot of work in India. Usually what they do is, as they finish their graduations, post-graduation, they try to shift abroad. Yes, wonderful. It's personal choice. Nobody can stop you from going. But I feel in India we have lots of work. Lots of work is there. Once you start doing lots of work, money comes automatically. Money does come.
Hard work
Yes.
pays.
Younger generation, they want to go abroad because they want to earn quickly the money. But here if they stay, slowly the money will come to them.
Ma'am, one question from my side is, what way or one thing you want to change in physiotherapy for its upliftment as such?
First thing is, I will say that duration of our that graduation course, undergraduate, it should come at par with other professions like MBBS. It can come up to 5.5 years. And even post-graduation level also, one can have 3 years. 2 years is less because a lot of experience is required for a postgraduate person to practice clinical.
So you wanted
The
5 years
number
of
is
course.
5 years and 3 years
3
for the
years.
postgraduate.
We are taking inputs as such from senior people, so that it could be anywhere can be carried over.
And moreover, another thing I want to tell, see at BRC we used to have students from Somaya, even from MGM, undergraduates, and then for their internship, I think more than 100 students have worked with me there for internship. And postgraduate students were also coming on the clinical rotations from Somaya as well as from MGM. What I came to know from them, not any particular person, but there was a gap between those students and the teachers. There was a gap. I could feel because they could talk freely to me and they told me that, Madam, whatever we can discuss with you, we are not able to discuss with their teachers. Not that I am good and they are bad, not from that angle. But I think their teachers are very, very busy. Professors or teachers are very busy in their colleges. So I think they should give some personal time to the students so that they become closer, and I am sure the students will learn fast. That's my personal vision. Nothing against professors, nothing against it.
Ma'am, thank you for giving your precious time. Actually, you are the pride for Navi Mumbai team as such. And we wish all good luck. And as you were telling your future ambition or the forthcoming, you want to practice till the age of
85 is my target, but
That's
I have
too less, ma'am.
Yeah, maybe if I am able to do beyond that, yes, I will be. As long as I want to work till my last year life. That's what I feel. That's what I wish. That's what I wish to God. I want to work.
That's always there, ma'am. As a senior therapist, we are always honored and always you are a pride for Navi Mumbai. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Savita.